Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Waldia. I know, another hairstyle, right? I know what you guys thinking. Do you change your hair every week? Not necessarily. It depends on how I feel, if I feel like trying new things. But when I saw this on divatress.com, I was like, you know what, I have to give this a try. All right, so this is the sister wig, Wella Wavy Faux Locs. And just show you a close-up of what she looks like on the package. And I got it in the number 2. Now y'all, okay, what can I say? What can I compare this wig to? All right, ladies and gentlemen, okay? Have you ever had a crush on somebody and thought, oh my God, like from outer appearance, this person is just perfect and he seems to be the right fit for me. He's this and he's that, he looks like he meets all the qualities, blah, blah, blah. Okay, all right, so fast forward, the crush turns into something like, okay, this person actually likes me too, we're dating, and then you're just like, wait, you're not who I thought you were. That's how I feel about this. Like when I saw it, I was like, yo, I get it. I get the concept of like faux locks in wig form, so you don't have to sit there and go through the process of installing faux locks. I get it, right? And it looked so nice. Like online, I was like, oh my God, this would definitely be a good fit for me. Like I would love this, right? And now that I have it and I'm trying it and I played with it some, I don't know how I feel about it. I'm just like on the fence. I like it, but maybe not on me. You know, it does look somewhat realistic and I like the length. I like the concept of it, you know what I mean? But I think I would like this better on someone else. And I think what's bothering me the most about this unit is that the part is not on the side that I typically like to wear my parts, okay? I like to wear my parts on the left side so that the hair could be falling, you know, across on my right, you know what I mean? Not the, I don't like the part on the right side with the hair falling going to the left. Oh, it's the opposite to you guys, but yeah, you get what I'm saying. I just, I don't know. I wanted to like this so much and I wanted to like this so bad. I even threw in some accessories and try to do something to like, you know, save it, but I don't know how I feel about this, y'all. I really don't. And also, usually I like to go in with scissors and frame my face, you know, with the units that I get, but I'm afraid to cut this because I'm afraid that it might unravel. I don't want to mess with the locks too much because I don't want it to unravel on me. So I can't frame my face the way I would usually, you know what I mean? I would have layered this a little more. I would have probably cut this piece here, you know. And I'm going to show you some clips. It did come with a lace on the front that I went in and cut. You guys know how I feel about that. It also came with 2 combs in the front and 1 comb in the back, and also an adjustable strap. So this is big head friendly because this fit me perfectly. Like the fit, I didn't have any issues with that. And I'll also show you the parting. The parting was so natural looking, and that's something that I do appreciate about this unit, is that the part, it gives you enough space. I don't know if you guys can see, but I'll show you in a clip. It gives you enough space for it to look natural. And I did go in with my powder just to conceal the lace. And so yeah, it was easy for me to put on. I didn't have any issues putting it on. It's just that when I was playing with it and trying to like frame my face, I was just like, I don't know. This is not, you know, my best look. This is not my best unit. I don't know. I don't think I'm disappointed. I just wanted more. I expected more. When I saw it, I was like, oh, I gotta have you. This is it. And then when I had it and I put it on and I played with it and I got to know it a little better, I'm just like, I don't think you're the right one for me. So is this a fail or what y'all think? Y'all let me know. Am I bugging? Like I feel like I would like it, but just something I'm just not getting. What is missing here? I don't know what's missing. I don't know if it's my fault. It's just maybe not my cup of tea. I don't know. But you know what? When I just did that, it was kind of like more bearable. Okay. I don't know. So what if I did this? I wonder if I was to put this going back, like, you know, like that, would that work? See, I love my part like going this way. I like this look better, you know? But I can't do that because there's no, see, there's no parting space here. But do I need parting space to do it? I don't want to go out looking crazy. What y'all think? I don't know. Hold up. Okay, this relationship might work. This relationship might work. I just have to adjust. Hold up. Let me figure this out, okay? Give me some time. Okay. And there are some instances in relationships where you like, you know what? This might work out. I just needed to get to know you a little better and give it more time and be a little bit more patient. You never know. It just might work out, y'all. Ooh, okay. That's what it was. It was the parting. I think it was the parting that was bothering me. Oh, snap. What y'all think? Is this better? Is this better, y'all? I think this is better. Like, I don't want it to be so uniform. I want it to be like, you know what I'm saying? More natural looking. Let me lay my edges down just a little bit just to help the style come together. And let's see if that helps. I think I like it now. I think I do like it. Okay. So guys, with me in this unit, our relationship is like, you know, we're still trying to get to know each other. All right, let me be fair. I just met this, I saw it, I thought I was in love, you know, and then I put it on, I wasn't sure, but you know what? Now that I adjusted and flipped it over and, you know, laid my edges down a little bit, this might just work out. It might work out. So yeah, I'm gonna play with it for a couple of more days. I'm gonna get to know it a little more and connect with it. Y'all don't think I'm crazy, I know. But that's what it is, okay? And I'll let you know. I'll give you an update on this right here. I just need your feedback. Give me your feedback. Is it better now that it's on this side? What y'all think? Give me some feedback. How does it look to you? So if you're interested in this unit, or if you've been wanting to try faux locks but don't want to go through the process because you don't know what the outcome is going to be, give this one a shot just to see what you're working with, you know, and if this style would look nice on you. I will leave all the details in the description box. I just love trying new things. If it works out, it works out. If it doesn't, it doesn't. But I just like giving things a new shot because you won't know what looks nice until you actually try it. So if you have any questions or comments, please leave it in the comment section. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and all of my social media. I will leave it in my description box. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Stay fabulous and stay beautiful. Until next time, bye.